Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to the Friday
5.
Okay, so it's the first Friday in April.
Yay! We're finally in April, and
right.
we're getting showers.
Yeah, that's right. It's been raining for the last couple of days.
Yeah, so anyways, be careful while you're driving, please.
Well, we've been talking a lot about, I guess, saving money and losing weight, so today is really no exception. We're going to talk about that again today.
So we got 5 awesome tips for you, or 5 little topics we want to mention to you guys. So the first one is about meal replacement. You know, everybody's getting ready for the summer. You start working on your body,
I already
looking
have
better.
my dad bod already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one of us has it.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna do. These are about smoothies and how the fact is when you diet, sometimes you really don't eat right and your body's starving. So instead of eating up all your fat, it starts eating up your muscle.
That's right. So you gotta be careful with dieting and all kinds of things that come along with that, because there's some that might be dangerous to you. But here is something you might want to consider, which is just a meal replacement smoothie. And a lot of these things you already have in your pantry or in your refrigerator. So, might as well make use of them and use them as part of your diet.
I like the chocolate peanut butter one. I'm gonna have to
They
try
all
that.
look good to me, especially the ones that have a lot of the fruits, like the strawberry and the blueberries. Yum.
Yep, I totally
Yes.
agree.
All right, so let's move on. Make sure you check this link out. Okay, so number 2.
All right, number 2, not sure which wine to pair with barbecue, which I'd never even thought about that.
Most people just go for the beer,
Yeah, that's right. So I thought it was pretty good that they would have
They
this
have
list
lists
here.
to help you if you don't know what to do or what to pair it with. Instead of just doing, a cold beer, this is something else that you can consider. Just doing wine with your barbecue, so it gives you an option for beef, chicken, fish, or pork.
Yeah, you can see here, beer canned chicken, which is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Of course, you just like that one. Which one do you have? Moscato.
Moscato.
She loves
I
her
do
Moscato.
with everything. I just like the sweet dessert wines. I don't like the oaky. I don't like the dry. I just like the bubbly, or I like the I do like some of them, and I do love my Moscato. Don't take that one away.
Yeah, that's right. That's true. And the Sam's Club. That's the one you
Yeah.
like.
Well, now they don't have it at Sam's anymore.
Oh, really?
Nope.
Where do
They
they-
don't have it. They have it at Target. Believe it or not, that's where I get it from. And my new favorite Moscato is the name of it is Cupcake. Try it. You're gonna love it. Okay.
All right, number 3.
Number 3. This one is important.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I really don't think there's enough said about this.
I
And
agree.
It's something that we all work on, especially, we worry about our teenagers driving, but all of us do it and shouldn't do it. It's distracted driving.
Yes. So April is Distracted Driving Awareness Month. So the most important thing is don't text and drive. Don't try to read messages as you're driving, and don't try to send messages while you're driving. There's a lot of different features on some of these smartphones where once you get in the vehicle and you start going, somehow it tells everybody who texts you, hey, I'm driving, I'll get back to you as soon as I get, to...
And we set those up, and you can actually customize the message too.
Yes, that is so true. And so, don't be shy to let people know that you're driving, and you just can't get back to them right at that moment. It's just for your own safety and those around you.
And for those of you who have the iOS Apple phone, the shortcuts have some really neat things from voice activated, so you don't have to actually text. I can say something and it will automatically send Edith a text that I'm on my way home, and how long it will take from wherever I'm at.
Yeah, so definitely check this link out. It has great information. All right, so number 4.
All right, so now we get into a little fun stuff.
Yes, so
talking about
while you're driving on your long commute around the Houston area,
or if you're trying to find something to work out with.
Yes. There's a song that you love, and then you wish you could hear more of that kind of music or that genre. But this website gives you great playlists that you can just play, and it's kind of like the same kind of music or the same genre, and you don't even have to. So if you want to work
out and you want that uplifting music of some kind,
you can go on there.
Get that certain kind.
Yes.
Or all Latin.
Yeah. So this one is called Playlist.net,
which I think it used to be part of Spotify.
Spotify, yeah. So this is great. Spotify is great. So this one is, just gives you the the actual playlist that you can listen to. So
Yeah.
click and play.
I think that'd be good. I'm gonna try that.
Yes. So number 5.
So number 5, we've been talking about saving money. Well, these are places where you can take kids for free.
Yeah.
National chains.
A list of 65 restaurants around the area where the kids can eat for free. So this will be a great savings for families, parents with children.
Applebee's.
Yeah, they have Applebee's. I mean, I know IHOP has, this great deal for kids.
Oh, that's true.
They dine, but it's only for dinner time. Kids eat free, and there's
Chick-fil-A. I didn't know.
Yeah, they
on
Tuesdays between 5:30 and 7:30.
I had no idea.
But there has to be a purchase, with an adult purchase or a combo.
Okay.
But the list is, there's 65 restaurants, so definitely check it out and take advantage of this list.
Look at that, IKEA. You can go shop at IKEA and they eat free on Tuesdays.
They do. They do have a restaurant in there, and they can eat for free while you do the shopping. So definitely check it out. And I think that's it.
I think so. We hope everybody has
a great weekend.
Take care, everybody. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.